looking straight ahead.
Woo, we're here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey,
we gotta go
what's
find Craig Miles' booth. See what tractors he brought up.
I hope he brought that
6410.
He probably didn't. Now that sounds like the tractor you bring up to the show.
No.
What booth?
Craig Miles Owington Farm Equipment. I'm trying to convince Smith to buy that tractor he's got. It's a 99 6410 cab tractor, 2-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Wants $33,000 for it. It's only got 1,900 hours. I'm sorry. Hey, there's Preford.
Yeah,
Look at what? This?
Yeah.
Everything you need to set one of these up.
So do we.
Yeah,
I'd really love to have one of these that isn't bent, and you don't have to. That's how ours at home is. It sucks.
I want one of those big crowding tubs.
Why?
Where, they got a booth up there?
I don't think so.
Be cool if they did.
At least I wouldn't think they would. Holy crap, Brilliant's still in business?
I reckon so.
I didn't realize they were still in business.
I wouldn't mind having that cultivator.
That's a Cultipacker.
Same damn thing.
It is pretty much the same damn thing.
Cull Mulcher
exactly
has teeth inside of it too. Is that a Vector? Nope. Show up. Oh. H&S. Mostly for silage operations.
Yeah, that's what it is.
Makes it a whole lot easier for silage choppers, I think.
It doesn't even work.
For haylage.
Yeah.
He made some haylage this year. Really? Yeah. Cats got it fat as hell now.
It's because they got real good hay.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. It's
Like a regular conveyor belt type thing.
Ooh, it's touchscreen.
I bet it loses some of the middle.
No, it don't.
I bet it does.
It's just like a baler's all it is.
Say I bet you lose something right there.
Well, yeah, well, yeah, maybe.
Depends on how good you know it
Ooh,
is.
here we go. Here's a wheel rake. How's it going? Now, we're just impressed. Yep. That manure spreader over there? This is the rakes one only farmer runs. Yeah. Do what?
Wouldn't mind having that grinder.
Oh. Oh, is that all hydraulically controlled? No cables? This would be nice. That's all hydraulically.
So the only thing the monitor on it or?
Well, ours has a monitor. Oh, that's right there instead of in the back.
Yeah, ours is in the back.
They probably wouldn't like it. That auger. So this is all hydraulics.
Yeah.
Huh. Instead of cable. I think I'd rather have cable for the auger. You know what I mean? Well, when you're trying to get into some of them small...
Cables don't fail, hydraulics do.
Well, I'm saying it wouldn't be as accurate. I want to look at some of these wheel rakes. That's still 9 foot. Maybe. I don't have any big V rakes. Oh, yeah.
Buggy or chip spreader?
It's a
Fertilizer spreader.
fertilizer spreader, yeah.
New.
That's new.
Look at
Oh, I just real no crap. I didn't wear my coon hat.
Very big machine.
What do you think anything weighs?
A shit ton.
It's heavy. 152 acres per hour. 152 acres an hour.
I bet you it weighs probably
Ooh, that wouldn't fit any of our tractors.
25, 30,000
What?
pounds.
Oh no. There we go. There's your slinger you need. Oh, there we go.
120-foot spread. I think our vector only goes up to 90.
The only thing is you'd be packing the ground real bad.
Not really.
Well, you wouldn't.
No more than you would with anything else.
It's no worse than a loaded down buggy,
Well, the vector or the spreader would be
a spreader truck, or anything.
120-foot spread on that.
On DAP.
I understand.
140-foot with potash. 150 with
Jeez.
ammonium sulfate.
Hello.
How you doing?
Howdy.
Pretty good.
Very good. Where are you from?
Kentucky.
Kentucky.
Right down the road. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Down in E-Town. Look, that's only 1,000 bushels. Yeah, I know.
I think they look a lot bigger in here than they actually are.
That's
Maybe.
actual size.
I know, but I'm saying it appears big.
That is actual size.
Well, they still look pretty damn big.
Apparently they got folding 6-year-old planters now.
Really?
Yeah. Good Lord, look at the tire on that thing. I guess.
You know, most of them they're just longer. They made this one tall and V'd down.
I don't think our combine would reach it. Well, maybe the 9660 would. What we got? Holy crap.
Yeah, so then that's it.
Huh.
Just a little bit bigger than Larry's.
I think it's been used.
Looks like it.
Jeez.
Catch that stuff.
Oh, you got a good view from up here. Look out, Trent.
Lighting inside.
Why? What's
They're
that?
good. I think Bellfield's got them. They love them.
I'd rather have a deer. Parts availability.
New Holland, too.
Yeah, New Holland's not bad.
I know a couple people that's got them. They really love them.
I bet it's a crop cutter though. You can probably move through it.
It's probably heavy as shit.
Oh, it ain't no heavier than a deer,
Still,
probably.
I guarantee you it's heavy.
It's probably a good thing, to be honest.
Well,
Probably is.
well,
More durable, don't you think?
yeah, I mean, yeah, but it's a weird, sexiest ass line.
Oh, I guess that's for the chopper.
I don't like the way it feels.
There we go. I'll try not to. Ooh, this
I'm
feels
sick and damn tired of getting the buddy seat every time we get in something.
this feels weird.
This is a nice buddy seat, man. Check
It's
it out.
weird.
Is it? Yeah.
Oh, that is weird.
That's weird.
Yeah, that is weird. Good Lord.
Steering wheel's a little bigger. I like,
Here's your ignition back here.
I like having that big steering wheel.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's
I want the
weird.
driver's seat first.
Oh. Now this is a better hand control. Look at this thing.
Yeah.
That's a whole. Hey Mason, I think that's a chrome pipe on it.
When you're hooking up.
Oh yeah. Huh.
You can use BTO.
Huh. All right. You want to go to the good stuff? Deer and case and all them?
Our metric got a lot higher.
Maybe it's 40.
They can't be 60
Never mind. Maybe 40. Oh.
I'd like to have one of these.
There you go. Get you that harrow over there. Man, I could knock out a lot of cow pies in a day with that.
I've had some bad experiences with our hero.
What'd she say?
She said she did Fort Knox. But I
Fort
ran
Knox?
over ours with the bush hog. Completely destroyed it. I mean, completely destroyed it.
How the fuck did you do that?
I didn't know it was freaking there. Dad parked it right there in the middle of a bunch of weeds.
Parked what? The bush hog or the harrow?
No, the harrow.
Oh.
So I run over with the bush hog and just chopped it up.
Oh, all right. Let's see, 73.30.
For only 150.
Oh, here's your 64.20, Mason.
Phone all morning, he's called me 3 times.
76.5. It's probably got no hours on it. Oh, here we go. I want that. It's only got 2,200 hours on it.
Does he rebuild these?
No. Yeah, Mason, this is what you need. It's probably a whole lot better shape than ours is. At least it ain't missing a fender.
That's your fault.
Oh, it's only got A through D. It's locked. They keep it locked. Yes. It's only got A through D. Yeah. All right. Well, let's go find deer. What? Oh, 8 row? I need to come out with a 6 row.
Get out of my space.
Sorry.
Got me all crowded in.
Huh. Why'd you leave me? I was in a good tractor.
I didn't know.
That how big is the line here? Hoo-wee.
Oh, this some bitch hooks up a lot better than ours does. They still got those chains you got to put on?
Where?
And it's all PTO hooked up.
Every,
Ours just got like the sprockets and everything. You gotta line them up, and then you gotta put that chain around it.
ours ain't even like that.
Was yours PTO hooked up?
Yeah, all it is PTO. It's a double PTO on the deer. The case is a single. I'll never be able to afford one of these in my lifetime. This is the only time.
No.
Hey, he might.
This thing costs more than most houses.
I'd say so, yeah.
That's wrong.
Huh?
Price this and wrong.
How?
See?
How?
All your heavy equipment.
Oh. Okay, it's gonna go from $450,000 to $350,000.
Hey, just wait until it's like a 30-year-old piece of machinery.
And then,
Then we'll be able to
Then you
afford
can
it.
get it for like 30,000.
Yeah.
You know, 6,000 hours on it.
Yeah. Heck, by then. Ooh, this has the. Oh, look at that! Look at that! It's got the double adjusting.
We're being checked out, John.
Huh?
We're being checked out.
Good.
Good. What does that say?
To participate in the scavenger. Oh, that's that stupid scavenger hunt they're doing.
This is nice. Oh my God.
Oh!
See that?
That is the be all and end all. Get a picture of this. Hey Mason, we can harvest in style now. They got footrests.
Yeah.
Hey, actually lift your butt up.
You got the cooler?
My turn. You got it? It's got the cooler.
It's got the cooler.
It's got the cooler. What is this, a 24 row? Is this a 12? Yeah, it's 16. What?
Somebody shocked me.
Ugh. That is the death. That is death.
Death equals death.
Death equals death. Ain't I right? Death equals death.
What are you talking about?
Still got plastic on the floor in there. It's got carpet.
Oh yeah. It's got carpet?
Yes, underneath this.
Huh. Okay, this air ride seat here's got to go down.
This is not a comfortable buddy sit shit.
How's it? I don't know how it goes down. There we go. All right, and there's your. Oh, that is not a shifter.
I noticed that.
I love these things. I love IVT. You don't even have to use a clutch.
That's weird. I like using clutch. I'm old fashioned. I use a clutch. Is this a sunroof?
Oh,
Oh shit, that's cab filter.
Nicky's got.
Put that back up.
He's massive. He don't even use clutch in it.
that's a cab filter?
Yeah, it's got a cab
IVT
filter.
though. Oh. There's all your hydraulics. That's 3-point. That's 1 and 2. Dude. Man.
Got like 360 spinning capability.
Yeah, really. You know how awesome this would be for cutting hay?
This is a little bit big.
Wait,
I'm saying if this was in the 6 Series.
I'm trying to figure out.
Biggest hunk of junk I ever seen. Oh, this is what's going to unemploy farmers.
There ain't nothing wrong with this.
Estimates are within the next 10 years.
Being annoying. Being annoying about it. Being annoying about it. Just
A number of acres of arable land is flat.
rocks in there.
The number of people involved in agriculture. How do you feel let's just say the same amount of land with fewer people?
I know. Yeah. Hey.
I'm touching the wood. I ain't touching the thing. These are not touched, Trent.
Yeah, really.
You know what that means? Touch, don't touch it.
You don't touch anything. It's 40 foot long, 8 foot wide. Oh. Okay, keep walk down.
Hang on a second. Y'all go around and I'm checking this out. Look at that hay baler. That's square baler. You got a square baler in there.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Do what?
Should have had the 2+2 like in the weeds.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, you go up the escalators in the building.
Yeah. Oh, sponsored by AgriGold.
Look here. That's Dad. That's Jessica.
Who?
Jessica.
Who's Jessica?
See through.
Oh, they even got water in there. I'd love to have his green set
I
up.
like the green set just alone.
Oh,
I have a question for you.
yeah.